Jai Srimanarayana. 42nd sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tasmat Ajnanasambhutam Hritastham Jnanasina Atmanaha Chitvainam Samsayam Yogam Atishta Uttishta Bharata. Om. Constantly remember that you are permanent. You are in your body. Your ultimate goal is to get rid of the cycle of birth and death. With this knowledge, keep performing your activities perfectly. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall constantly remember that I am in my body, I am permanent, and my ultimate goal is to get rid of the cycle of birth and death. With that knowledge, O Srimanarayana, I shall keep performing my activities perfectly. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. నరనారాయణులకు చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మకు సరస్వతీదేవికి వ్యాసమహర్షుల వారికి నమస్కారం. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Devayani spoke very harshly with Sarmishta also with so much of anger, she said, O Devayani, you are all staying in my home and you should not be having this much of arrogance. Like that, Sarmishta said, took away her clothes and pushed Devayani into the well, into that pond, and went away. Then after some time, Yayatir Mrugayam Charan Prapto Yadruchaya. Yayati, one of the kings, he came down there for hunting. Then he has seen Devayani in that pond. And when he found she is naked, he gave his top cloth to her and with so much of compassion, he gave his hand and lifted her from that pond. Then Devayani says, "O Mahavira, you have taken my hand. That means you did panigrahanam. Now I am your wife. Now I cannot touch anyone anymore. This is all done because of God's will, Daiva Sankalpam. O Mahavira, I also have one curse by Kacha, saying that Brahaspati's son Kacha, saying that, O Devayani, you cannot become a wife to Brahmana. Now that is what is happening. Like that, when Devayani said, Yayati, realizing that it is not fair, but he accepted Devayani. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 42nd sloka. Tasmadajnana sambhutam hritastham jnanasinatmanaha chitvainam samsayam yogam atishtottishta bharata. Tasmadajnana sambhutam hritastham jnanasinatmanaha chitvainam samsayam yogam atishtottishta bharata. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.